Fortune favors the bold, fearless in battle, heart undaunted. Fire tests gold, trials forge strength through hardships to the stars. Soldier unconquered. Virtue conquers all, boldly indeed, gently in manner. No easy path to the heavens. Fortune aids the daring. Sometimes force is necessary, sweet and fitting to die for one's country. He conquers who masters himself in victory, sword and spirit, iron and fire. Virtue conquers all, boldly indeed, boldly and faithfully. No easy path to the heavens. Fortune aids the daring. Time of violence is called forth. Sword of justice, heart unyielding. I struggle and rise. From shadows I emerge. In darkness light. In war peace. Righteous fury. The lion's heart roars. I refuse to die, but for freedom's sake. The strong soul stands, fear shall not yield. Blood washes the path to glory. Heroes are made by the times. I act boldly. Fortune favors the bold, fearless in battle, heart undaunted. Fire tests gold, trials forge strength through hardships to the stars. Soldier unconquered. Virtue conquers all, boldly indeed, gently in manner. No easy path to the heavens. Fortune aids the daring. Sometimes force is necessary, sweet and fitting to die for one's country. Conquers who masters himself in victory. Sword and spirit, iron